Fuck if I shit in my face, I still got houses that stay from the way. Don't try where you live, but I do anyway. I run away, but I'm out the way. I'm not trying to match, get the fuck on my face. You ain't out from me, I ain't matching that chain. You not from the way, get the fuck from the way. Nigga, take me away, nigga, take me away.
That shit cranking all, young, but y'all niggas ain't hit my new shit, bro. Hey, put me on the aux real quick.
Young Jones. That way, that way, that way, that way, that way.
Yeah.
Freaky nice. That way, that way, that way. Grown man don't duck, they gon' slide, they don't hide when it's beat. Set us up on the net, hope it's there in the streets. I ain't going back and forth, nigga, throw me a link. I had to sit back and I had to think. I had to pull me some strings, I had to flip me some things. I really hang where I bang, I really drop in the curb. I wake up early, I'm something like a bird. Talking down on my name, they threw that in the dirt. They say words don't hurt, but that shit hurt the worst. They ain't one listen, now I charge for a verse. I ain't talking for free, I get paid for these words. I ain't catching no feelings, I'm trying to catch a swerve. You ain't making no hits, so why you on the curb? Get the fuck up the trap and go head to a church. I ain't trying to hear it, say that shit for the birds. Niggas say that shit, that song don't crank, I ain't playing that shit. If the deal ain't right, I ain't paying for shit. If you try to finesse me, I'm taking that shit. You owe me some money, I'm fucking your bitch. Fucking 40, what you got in my rent? I put my life on the line, I be taking the risk. I be damn if I go out like Mitchell or running some grass when I dropped on the bench. 99 products ain't one by the bench. I got 81 niggas with 81 sticks. I'm a 68, baby, my name on the brick. Bitch, I'm the lit one, I get it lit. Used to chop at the rip with my bike and my stick. Had no haircut with a baggy ass fit. Now I need fits in the gram like 90 or speaking on Joe, you get here in your shit. You just live in the mix, you was not with the shits. I'm trying to make an example, try to catch me a fit. Speaking on Joe, you get here in your shit. You just live in the mix, you was not with the shits. I'm trying to make an example, try to catch me a fit. 42 shots at the 50, I shot at the whip. Niggas be 8 deep posted with no flick. Standing outside in the cold, make no sense. I be on bro shit, swear there's some shit that I don't get. Multiple niggas, but none of them click. I got multiple options, don't know what to pick. I'm on Trey here in 68 licks. 68 nights, really cranked in the strip. 750, what we pay for?
You guys can't park in the middle of the street. It's technically a street, it's not an alley.
I bet.
If it was an alley, I might not be pressed about it, but it's actually a street, so I'm gonna need you guys to pull it somewhere else.
Man, don't duck, they gon' slide, they don't hide when it's beat. Set us up on the net, hope it's there in the streets. I ain't going back and forth, nigga, throw me a link. I had to sit back and I had to think. I had to pull me some strings, I had to flip me some things. I really hang where I bang, I really drop on the curb. I wake up early, I'm something like a bird. Talking down on my name, they threw that in the dirt. They say words don't hurt, but that shit hurt the worst. They ain't one listen, now I charge for a verse. I ain't talking for free, I get paid for these words. I ain't catching no feelings, I'm trying to catch a swerve. You ain't making no hits, so why you on the curb? Get the fuck up the trap and go head to a church. I ain't trying to hear it, say that shit for the birds. Hey, Peasy, and I just fuck this joint now. On my mother. That way, that way, that way, that way, that way.